Okay, here with Mr. David. Say hi, David. We're out here in the cold. I got an '08 Ford Explorer 4.6 with a Misfire on cylinder 7. Cylinder 7. And it's constant. Now if we look closely at all the wire colors, it's obvious somebody's been in here and replaced all the pigtails with generic white, red-black pigtails. I did do a relative compression test. I'm going to skip past that because that was fine. I did check coil firing and it's fine. Secondary with a coil on a cop probe. Actually my homemade one, if you've seen it in one of my other videos. So what I did was, from there, simply enough, current ramp, fuse 44, that's my feed. Oh, it is cold out here. So, something looks odd. I have one missing man formation, and I have one injector, looks like it's pulling double the amperage, which is really perplexing. So, I took a, if I can find it, hold on, oh, hell, here it is. No, here it is. Stay with me. Oh, it's right in front of me. So, let's take the second channel, and I'm just going to go into cylinder 5. Yes, I have the firing order, but it's not going to matter in a second. I'll show you why. So there's my cylinder sync. It's cylinder 5. And again, you can't rely on this too heavily because we don't know when fuel injection. Well, when the injector fires, it doesn't necessarily line up with when the coil fires. So it's not a real accurate sync. Because we don't, the old expression, we know when coil fires, right? Coils fire at top dead center. Fuel injectors may fire at bottom dead center. They may fire at 10 degrees after, maybe 10 degrees before top dead center. We don't know. But as a reference, that's cylinder 5. Let's go to cylinder 6. Cylinder 6 lines up with our, what appears to be an injector that's pulling double the amperage. Let's go to cylinder 7. Come on, get in there. Cylinder 7 also lines up with the same cylinder. It didn't move. I did, it didn't. And just for the heck of it, let's go down to number 8. Number 8 moves. Everybody's starting to figure out what happened here? I think I did, and I think David did now. It looks like, if I can get that back in there, somebody used the same trigger wire and jumped it to run 2 injectors at the same time, which is why we have a missing one, and we have one that's doubled. Number 6 and 7 are wired together. So this harness needs to be opened up and find the right missing wire, or more likely, I'm not discrediting the possibility that the driver for number 7 is dead in the PCM, and because it's not triggering the injector, somebody thought, well, I'll just grab the trigger from the one next to it and use it to trigger that one. Same thing, right? Okay, I just thought that was neat. I never seen that one before, and I thought I'd share it. Bye.